You got him. Oh no.
Good job. Opening it. He hasn't all opened it yet.
Rip it. He knows how to rip it. Rip it.
Yeah, rip it.
He let him do it. Rip it.
Now we can move. Open it.
Oh. Turn it over. Hey, look at Nicholas. What is it?
A movie. A movie.
Can you read what movie it is, David?
Big deal.
A
Another one.
bug.
Another one. Another one. Deal.
Life.
Another one.
Okay.
A bug life.